How to fix can't like posts on Facebook. Quick and easy solution. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're unable to like posts on Facebook, don't worry, you're not alone. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the best solutions to fix this issue. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, or vice versa. You can also restart your router to refresh the connection. Step 2. Log out and log back in. Sometimes, a simple logout can fix the issue. Open Facebook, tap on your profile picture, scroll down, and select Logout. After that, close the app, reopen it, and log back in. Step 3. Update your Facebook app. An outdated app can cause glitches. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search for Facebook, and check if an update is available. If there is, update it and try again. Step 4. Clear Facebook cache for Android users. If you're on an Android device, clearing the app's cache can help. Go to Settings, tap Apps, select Facebook, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your data. Step 5. Check Facebook's server status. If Facebook is experiencing an outage, likes may not work. Visit downdetector.com and search for Facebook to see if the platform is having any issues. Step 6. Check for restrictions on your account. Facebook might have temporarily restricted your actions. To check, go to your Facebook settings, open Support Inbox, and look for any restrictions on your account. Step 7. Reinstall Facebook. If nothing else works, uninstall and reinstall the Facebook app. This can remove hidden issues that may be causing the problem. And that's it. One of these steps should help fix your issue. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.